Alright, how's it going? Today we're gonna do a cold start on my 89 Bronco. It's definitely a cold start. It's like -20 and I haven't started it since about 8 o'clock last night. It's a little past noon, so I have faith it'll start, but let's see how it goes. Like I said before, it's got new batteries, so here we go. Not bad. Not bad for 12 hours out, -20. Good old Ford. Not much really else to say about it. I mean, checking the glass packs every day, sound a little bit better. Fixed the 2 back speakers. I don't know if I mentioned that last time. Had 2 wires mixed up. Got before me put that head unit in, then kind of half-assed it and kind of putting shit together here. I'm looking to get 3-inch lift off of LMC. Body lift, like $150. Get some bigger tires. Maybe go mudding on Memorial Weekend, thinking about. But yeah. So have a good one.